Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, what is the square root of 520 by 45? This 520 by 45 is 5 into 45 plus 20 divided by 45. So it is 245 divided by 45. Now the square root of 520 by 45 is square root of 245 by 45. Now this 245 can be written as 5 into 49. And this 45 can be written as 5 into 9. So it is we can separate this. Square root of 5 into square root of 49 divided by square root of 5 into square root of 9. So it is square root of 49 divided by square root of 9. Square root of 49 is 7 and square root of 9 is 3. So it is 7 by 3. Okay. Hence, square root of 520 by 45 is 7 by 3, which is our option D.